Welcome to a new video. In this video, you will learn how to make passive income from your crypto holdings without doing anything. Then I will show you a few awesome hot wallets that you can use to store part of your cryptos. And in number 3, I'm going to show you how to make extra income on the side with the upcoming airdrop from Bitget. So first of all, you need a Bitget account. If you don't have one already, you can click right here and make an account and deposit some funds. Now, you should be in your Bitget account. Next, you want to hover over Earn and then go to Overview. Now today, I will show you 2 ways to do it. The first way is with savings, which in my opinion is the least recommended way. Why? Because with savings, the interest rates, aka the APR, are very, very low. So in my opinion, the risk of putting your funds here on Bitget and keeping them for a long time to earn these rewards, in my opinion, is not worth the risk. So that's why I would not do this. However, you can stake it. First of all, what is staking? As you guys might know, there are 2 types of blockchains. There's a proof of work blockchain like Bitcoin and a proof of stake blockchain like, for example, Ethereum or Polkadot. With proof of work, the network is secured by lots of nodes, aka computers, who solve complex math puzzles to secure all transactions. And in return, all the computers get part of the newly mined Bitcoins. Essentially, this is called Bitcoin mining. However, more and more blockchains adopt a system called proof of stake. Proof of stake works this way. People, aka participants, they stake or risk part of their coins to the network to secure the transactions, essentially to help the blockchain operate. Now, in return for the risk and for your participations of your assets, you get part of the transaction fees. Now, these range depending on the blockchain. So, for example, Ethereum right now, you can earn about 4% per year by staking Ethereum. On Solana, for example, it's between 7 to 13%. And one of my favorites is, of course, Polkadot. And I staked a lot of Polkadot in 2021. And also the sister or brother, Atom. There are 3 ways how you can stake your crypto and earn passive income. The first way is through a centralized exchange, for example, like Bitget. This here is a centralized exchange, which means if you stake your cryptos right here, the private keys of your cryptos are with Bitget. Now this, of course, number 1 is a convenience factor. So let's say you have some funds on Bitget that you keep here for spot holding or for trading. You can stake part of them and earn an extra income from your crypto. However, the risk, of course, is that you don't really own them because the private keys are with Bitget. The other way how you can stake your cryptos is actually from your own cold wallet, for example, through a Ledger wallet or Engrave wallet or Keystone wallet. The benefit, of course, is more privacy, and you own your private keys offline. Now this, of course, is safer. However, it's also less convenient. If you guys want this, I will make another video to show you how to stake from your own wallet. The third way is through a yield aggregator, which essentially is a yield optimizer. So for example, let's say you stake some Solana or Ethereum, you could actually further optimize your yield by, for example, lending out your LP tokens or through other methods. So for example, one famous one is Yearn Finance or also Beefy Finance. Now, if you guys want, I can show you this another time. However, just to be aware, this is only 1 out of 3 ways to stake your crypto. In my opinion, there's one really important thing which you have to understand. One big mistake that most people do when they get into staking is they check right here which coin gives you the highest return, aka the highest interest rate, and they just buy the coin and stake it. Now, this is a big mistake because not every coin is a good investment. Many proof of stake coins are actually inflationary, which means there are constantly new coins come in existence, which means your real return of the coin is actually maybe negative, or for example, the coin actually might go down in value over time. That's why it's really important that first you select a coin that you want to hold anyway, that you want to hold and invest for the long term, and then I recommend I would stake maximum maybe 10 or 20% or even a smaller amount of the coins to earn an extra income. Me personally, I would not stake more than about, like I said, 10%, 20% of your coins, and only of coins that you believe in anyway. So in this video, I will show you on this sub account how to buy Polkadot and how to stake to get passive income, which can multiply together and compound with the gains that the coin might have in the future. So step 1, we will go to trade, we will go to spot. Next, we select Polkadot here. We just type in DOT. Then we click right here. Let's buy, for example, $1,000 with a market order right here and buy. All right, that's it. Now we go back to our wallet right here, assets. Next, we go to earn, then we go to overview, then we go to staking. Now let's scroll down. Now the only reason why I stake Polkadot is because I believe in the coin anyway. So first, believe in the coin, and then as a little side extra bonus, you can stake part of your coins. But like I said, I would never stake all of my cryptos on a centralized exchange, no matter how safe the exchange is, no matter whether it's Bitget or any other top tier exchange. So like I said, it's only an extra. So let's click on stake. By the way, 13% is great. So for example, let's say Polkadot makes a 2 or 3x. The interest rate that you earn over that time is also an extra return. So for example, 13% can become 26 or 30, 40, 50%, depending on how well the coin performs. So for example, let's stake all of it. So let's click on max, and then let's click on this box and this box. Then let's click confirm. So as you can see, the stake time is now, the start time is in 20 hours, and the first payout is around 2 days later. And then you get it every single day credited to your account. Let's click confirm. And here we go. So now we have some Polkadot staked, and we are earning passive income every single day with our DOT holdings. So we can see right now here, this is our balance. And right now we have no profit yet because we just staked our coins. As many of you guys might know, Bitget also has their own exchange token. So if you click right here, you can see their coin name is BGB. So if you believe in this coin, you could buy some coins and also stake it here to earn 2%. In my opinion, I think 2% is not worth it. So in my opinion, I would not stake BGB token. However, if you were to believe in the coin and you hold them anywhere in your portfolio, you could stake part of it and earn some extra money on the side. Like I said, I would only stake a small amount, but it's up to you. Comment down below if you want a full video on how to make the most money possible with staking and also the safest way. Like I said, the safest way is directly from your own cold wallet, and also with higher risk, of course, on a yield aggregator, like for example, Yearn Finance. One of the things I always preach is to have multiple wallets to diversify your crypto holdings. If you want to keep your crypto as secure as possible, I always recommend get a hardware cold wallet, which means your private keys are stored offline and are not connected to the internet. However, I also have multiple hot wallets, which are very convenient to, for example, transfer cryptos from your exchange, for example, to withdraw profits and to store them for faster access. As many of you guys might know, I have multiple Exodus wallets, which in my opinion has a very nice user interface. Also, another good wallet is, for example, MetaMask wallet, which is a browser extension, or you can use Trust wallet, which is from Binance, or like I said, Exodus. And Bitget also has their own Web3 wallet now as well. Actually, there are some benefits to getting a wallet from Bitget now, because Bitget is doing an airdrop, which means that from now until the end of April, you can collect points for doing swaps and keeping a balance on your wallet. So in mid of May, you can convert your BVB points into BVB tokens, and then you can cash them out, which means it's a great way to get some extra income for literally just having another wallet. So if you are smart, you can actually make some money with this in the next few weeks. So for this, simply click on Web3, then click on Bitget wallet. Now this wallet is very similar, like I said, to Exodus, MetaMask, and also Trust wallet. You can have this wallet on your phone or your desktop. I have it on my desktop. As you can see, I have some USDT and some Ethereum on this wallet. And here you can also swap cryptos. Now, if you want to trade crypto, for example, USDT to Ethereum or USDT to Bitcoin, I recommend to do it on Bitget with spot because you get the best execution. However, for convenience factor and for small amounts, you can also swap cryptos in your wallet directly. And like I said, you can also earn points from now until the end of April. So let's say, for example, I want to swap some Ethereum to USDT. The Bitget wallet is comparing all the best DEXs, aka decentralized exchanges, such as SushiSwap, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap, and it gives me the best deal, which essentially is like a comparison site, but for crypto exchanges. Now, like I said, by doing some swaps here, you can earn these points and then cash them out in mid-May when their token comes out. And I'm going to collect as many points as I can because I think it's a good risk reward and extra cash which you can make on the side. So step 1, click on Web3, then click on wallet. Next, click on download, and you can see they have one version for Android, one version for iOS, for your iPhone, and also for your Chrome extension, similar to MetaMask, so you can have your wallet up here in your browser integrated. Right here you can see I also have my wallet on the phone, so if I'm on the go and I want to send some cryptos forth and back, I can do it on my phone directly, super conveniently. And like I said, I'm collecting those points every single day. So in summary, keep the majority of your crypto holdings on a cold wallet, aka hardware wallet. Number 2, I recommend to have multiple hot wallets such as Exodus, the new Bitget wallet, and all the other wallets. And number 3, keep only on the Bitget exchange what you use for your trading or for buying the dip. And if you want to take the risk, you can stake a small amount of the cryptos which you believe in anyway, and stake them and earn extra passive income every single day, like I showed you with Polkadot and many other cryptos. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will read every single comment and I will help you out with all my heart. Stay tuned for the next video. I have some very good videos planned for the next few days. Thank you for watching. I would appreciate if you give this video also a like, also subscribe, hit the ring bell. Thank you for watching and your amazing support. See you in the next video. Peace.